Our desire is to make an impact on the environment, manufacturing eco-friendly products utilizing upcycled and recycled materials. Our goal is to help those in our community who need it the most by creating a safe and creative workspace for those who are not the norm and who are challenged to fit into the traditional work environment. We will create work opportunities in our community and manufacture products that mean something very special to those who purchase them. Second Muse created a warm, nurturing environment and a community of support and resources to help each of us reach our dream.